Hi, this is Peter Chan. Today I'd like to show you a painting that I did many years ago. It's the Chinese style sunflower. Even though this is a Chinese painting, but you can see there are many Western influence. This painting truly reflects the reality of our modern world. We become more closer and closer to each other. During the summertime in Toronto, you will see many sunflowers. Many people have grown them in their backyard or front yard. Looks beautiful. Usually they have tons of flowers, but in this painting, I only paint 6 flowers because for Northern Chinese, number 6 means good luck. Well, of course, usually in the sunflower bushes, you will see tons of small flower buds or sunflower already dropping down. But here, I simplify it. And I really don't like to paint anything that is dying or falling down. All my painting emphasize on the brightness, happiness, positive feelings. Very charming. See, outside is winter when we just got a snowstorm yesterday. But when I'm standing beside this painting, I feel like it's a summer. Hot, bright and warm. See, this is why I always say that all my paintings have a very good positive energy in it, very good feng shui element. I'm happy whenever I look at the painting. And I hope you're happy too. Thank you for watching. Have a great day. See you next time. Bye-bye. When you take a closer look on this painting, you will feel it look very unique and special. The more you look at it, the more beautiful. So beautiful and sunny. Make me happy.